Ad tree. Your new vision.
Samsung is one of the few companies to have not one but two flagship series of phones, the candy bar Galaxy S series and the foldable lineup. And while we're still celebrating the official unveiling of the Galaxy S23 series, speculations and rumors about the company's next flagship foldable phones are already storming the internet. Currently, Samsung is running its fourth generation of the Galaxy Z series, which replaced the famous Galaxy Note series, which has since been discontinued. Needless to say, the fifth iteration of the device is all set for a 2023 launch. This upcoming foldable device is rumored to have better durability, improved display technology, better internals, and more tips. And rumors are already painting an excellent picture. And here's what we know so far about its release date and features. Samsung launched the very first foldable smartphone in 2019, and although it got off to a rough start, it was nonetheless very impressive, as the South Korean tech giant was the first company to have launched a fully operational foldable smartphone in the market. Over the years, the company has refined the foldable formula, which led to the release of a more refined Galaxy Z Fold 4. And while the company has not officially discussed the release date of the upcoming Galaxy, we can get a clear idea of them by looking at the company's release window. The previous Galaxy Z series launch dates the very first Galaxy Z Fold. The device was launched back in September of 2019, followed by the Z Fold 2, which launched in September the following year. The Z Fold 3 saw an August launch 2021, while the latest Galaxy Z Fold 4 was launched last year on September 2nd. The first Samsung Fold appeared in 2019, and since then the company has launched new foldable smartphones every year, so there's no reason to believe Samsung will skip this year. In fact, according to Samsung's mobile head, the company will likely focus more on foldable smartphones in the future, overtaking the candy bar Galaxy S series flagships in terms of shipments by the year 2025. At this moment, Samsung hasn't officially confirmed the launch of the Galaxy Z Fold 5, but the company has fallen at a strict fall window like clockwork. Only the Galaxy Z Fold 3 was an exception, which was released a few days early in August. But following the company's launch pattern and putting the Z Fold 4 into account, it's a safe bet to say that the Galaxy Z Fold 5 will also be released in September 2023, even though the Galaxy Z Fold 5 is not launching anytime soon. Reliable tips and rumors are already emerging about the upcoming foldable phone, which suggests that the company has plans to introduce a handful of new important updates. The Galaxy Z Fold 5 could get a major design overhaul, as it is expected that the company could adopt a new teardrop hinge, which not only makes the annoying crease in the middle of the phone to disappear, but also allows the device to completely fold shut without any gap. This is evident on a Galaxy Z Fold 5 prototype showcased at CES a couple of weeks ago. As we can see from the image, the two halves of the device now sits flat against each other, and the prototype also looks aesthetically pleasing and more refined than the Galaxy Z Fold 4. Pictured alongside the Z Fold is 5, expected to retain the same 7.6-inch main display as the Z Fold 4, and the 6.2-inch cover screen is also expected to remain unchanged. Powering the phone is either the S23 version of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 or the Plus variant, which Qualcomm is rumored to announce very soon. Coming to the camera, a fresh report suggests that Samsung will treat Z Fold 5 with the same main camera sensor as the Galaxy S22 Ultra. If this report turns out to be true, then the Z Fold 5 will have a 108-megapixel primary camera accompanied by a 64-megapixel telephoto camera with 2x optical zoom, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide angle lens, and another 12-megapixel for the front-facing camera. But considering that Samsung only recently upgraded its camera with the Z Fold 4, it seems unlikely that the company will upgrade the camera again this year. We can also expect the same battery capacity at 4700 mAh, 25 watts fast wired charging, as well as support for reverse wireless charging. We're just starting to review some exciting gadgets from official debut, so consider subscribing to our channel to never miss an update regarding the Galaxy Z Fold 5. In addition, thanks for watching, and also don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and turn on post notification, and I'll see you guys on our next video.